Welcome back to the channel, guys. I don't want this video to last very long. I want to go ahead and show you what it looks like after 4 years. So this is it. This is the length of it. This is the length that I have dry. I will spin around and show you. Those of you that are looking to grow your hair out, it's worth it. If you're early in the process, get through that first 1.5 years and you'll start to see some growth that's gonna make you feel even more motivated to keep going. I definitely recommend trying this at least once in your life. I've dealt with what I feel like is one of the more difficult hair types, which is a high porosity, dry, coily, curly hair.
Yeah.
These things are difficult to control, but I have plenty of videos to help you through this, as well as you can go into the comment section and I will help you along with that. To you guys who are growing your hair out, do not be discouraged by this video. Each one of us has our own timelines, has our own goals, so I don't want anybody watching this to see it and feel deflated. I've sat on the other end of the screen and watched guys grow their hair out and been like, oh man, come on, like your hair looks so much better, why would you cut it?
What? What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
The next point I want to make is don't rush this decision. If you have your hair and it's at whatever length it is, have patience, and if you feel like you want to cut it, I would say don't. And I know that's funny coming from me right now, but I've been through countless situations of wanting to cut my hair over the course of 4 years. And I would say do not until you're 100% sure. What changed for me was the reoccurring thought. If you start noticing a pattern of thought and you find that you're not happy where you're at, then that's where you need to reevaluate what you're doing. Because what happens is you go from being passionate about it to now you're just being stubborn for no reason. If the passion goes away, just like anything else, then that's when, like I said, you need to reevaluate and think hard about it. And if you have reoccurring thoughts that you want it cut and you're not happy anymore, then by all means cut it. And that's where I'm at right now. Yes, I love the long hair. There are plenty of times where I enjoy getting it ready and dressing up and things like this when I go out and I do something nice, or I go on a date with my wife, or I'm at an event. These are times where I really enjoy having my hair down. However, I would say if I had to put a percentage on it, that's probably 5% of the time. The other 90 to 95% is it's hot, it's frizzy, it's uncomfortable, I put it up and it doesn't look how I want it to look, because each day for me is completely different. I don't have the same hair every single day. My hair doesn't curl the same way every single day. I have to do different things depending on the day and the humidity that work with my hair on that particular day. And when you've done it for 4 years, it gets to be a little monotonous. And I really started finding this recently, where I was thinking to myself, most of the time I'm wearing my hair up, especially at work. Even when I'm at home, it's always up. Or when I go out, I find myself eventually putting it up. And so I started thinking to myself, if it's always gonna be up, what's the point? Yeah, I like having a man bun.
Look, there's two types of people that wear buns. There's ballerinas and there's warriors. I mean, you want to be a warrior, but deep down inside, you're scared that you're a ballerina, right? Fine. God, want a man bun? All right, I'll put a man bun on.
You look like Pebbles Flintstone.
You just need to let it grow out. Give it a month or two.
It'll be out of style by then.
You look like a geisha.
Says the guy whose mom still cuts his hair.
It's a good opportunity for her to see me.
That's cool. I always thought that would be cool to have a man bun, but it's been 4 years of man buns, and 5% of the time I have it down. And when it's down, because I live in the South, it's hot. And most of the time throughout the year, it's hot. And in the cold months, when it's down, it's nice sometimes, but I still end up wanting to put it back or pull it up. So what I'm getting at is I'm finding that the passion is starting to dwindle or starting to be overshadowed by me not wanting it necessarily anymore, which is hard to come out of my mouth because I wanted this so bad and I've had it, you know, for a while. And so I think time has run its course. Well, there's the rest of it. I'm gonna go to therapy now. Don't give up on me yet, guys. We're about to start this growth journey all over again. It's been about a year, a little bit over a year. We're 3 months in right now to the growth, so I miss it. So get ready for some more videos. See you in the next one.